In this video lecture, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Python programming. Okay, so many times you might have want to sign up on something else and you see where you can create where you're asked to pick your date of birth, your date of birth, the month, the date, and the year. So let's go ahead and implement that. So before you do that, you have to import the calendar module. Go ahead and import calendar. And once you do that, let's go ahead and look at maybe a leap year. Go ahead and say, I'm going to show you some other things. I'm going to say calendar dot is leap year. And let's check if 2018 is a leap year. 2018. Go ahead and run this code and check it out. Drag this up. So that is a false. 2018 is not a leap year. Check out another one. 2020 must be a leap year. Let's check it out. Check it out. True. 2020 is a leap year. And 2019 is a leap year. 2019. Wow, what did I do? Okay. Sometimes I might think I'm just working with a Python shell and I'll go ahead and hit enter. Yeah, I used to have that problem sometimes. I'm working on PyCharm. So 2019 is not a leap year. So drag this down and let's go ahead and look at how to create a month in this. So first thing, if you want to create a month, let's go ahead and remove this and I'm going to say calendar.month. Calendar.month, and you're going to put the year, maybe 2020, and the wish year, 2020. You go ahead and put a comma and select the month, maybe December 2020, and run this code. Let's check it out. Boom. You see that? That is printed out for you, December 2020, and this is what you have. Go ahead and check that out on your old calendar. And you see that this is what you have. Then let's check out August 2018. This says 2018. August. And run this code. Check it out. August 2018. We can go ahead and cross-check that with our own calendar. So this is August 2018 started from Wednesday. And that is what we have here. Okay, I believe we are moving together and you can see that. You go ahead and choose the month and you go ahead and choose the year and go ahead and print that out and you get a verifying calendar. Wow, I will go ahead and show you more because we are here working on calendar today. So let me go ahead and show you how to print the entire calendar for the year 2020. And let's go ahead and do that. So for you to do that, you say calendar.calendar. And you go ahead and say 2020. And go ahead and print this, run this code. Check it out. You see that? 2020. And this is January to December 2020. So if you want to print out 2019, just exactly the same thing and you run the code. And now, this is what you have. So this is all about calendar and I hope you are really enjoying that. I will straight this up again for you to see all this. So this is your code. Go ahead and implement that and check them out. And if you have any issue or any question, please use the question and answer section. And I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.